name's Aaron. I'm the CEO at IG Tech 365, and welcome to Navigating Cybersecurity Challenges, a guide for SMBs in Tampa. In today's digital age, small and medium businesses face the unique cybersecurity challenges. In this video, we're going to provide you with some valuable insights and practical tips to safeguard your business in the vibrant city of Tampa. Cybersecurity is crucial for businesses of all sizes, but according to recent studies, SMBs are increasingly becoming the targets of cyber attacks. The consequences can be devastating, ranging from financial losses to reputational damage. Tampa is known for a thriving business community, but it is not immune from cyber threats. As the city grows, our businesses are going to become more and more susceptible to cyber attacks. Let's explore some common cybersecurity threats. Threats such as phishing attacks, ransomware, and data breaches are among the top concerns, and understanding these threats is the first step in creating a robust cybersecurity strategy. Steps to consider include establishing a cybersecurity culture within your organization, and this is critical. Train your employees to recognize potential threats and emphasize the importance of practicing safe online habits. We don't want people clicking on every link in every email. Ensure your digital infrastructure is secure. Implement firewalls, use reliable antivirus, and maintain secure networks. You want to regularly update your systems to patch the vulnerabilities and stay one step ahead of cyber criminals. Next, safeguarding sensitive data is paramount. Implement data protection measures to comply with regulations and regularly back up your critical information. Be sure to check your backups to make sure that they are working. This ensures that even in the event of an attack, your data remains intact and you can get back online and working again as quickly as possible. Consider partnering with a cybersecurity expert such as IG Tech 365. Tampa has a bunch of very talented IT professionals, but we would like to be the ones that work with you to help you build a strategy that's going to help protect your business. Overall, navigating cybersecurity challenges in Tampa requires a proactive and comprehensive approach. Stay informed, train your team, secure your digital assets, and seek the guidance of cybersecurity experts like IG Tech 365. By taking these steps, you'll be better equipped to protect your business in a dynamic business landscape here in Tampa. And thank you for joining us on this journey to enhance your cybersecurity awareness among the businesses in Tampa. And stay vigilant, stay secure, and continue thriving in the digital age. If you like this video and the content, please be sure to like and subscribe and give us a call. Thank you.